Welcome back to in chapter 4.9. We've got circuit graphs. So circuit graph, it's also called a pie chart, okay? It shows a set of data divided into parts. And the entire circle contains 100% of the data that we've got. Each sector slice represents one part of the entire of the set. Okay, dear students, usually we use circle graph when we've got percentages, all right? So these are the kind of echinoderms, and it's like, as you can see, if I ask you which one has the least, you will directly choose the yellow because it's the smallest slice that we've got here, okay? And the largest is the blue one, all right? Okay. As you can see, they're asking you these type of questions. So let's see, how do we know if what percent is it? To answer these questions, what do? I come and cut it into 4 pieces or 4 slices. Okay, all my answers will be by what? By 25%, 50%, or 70%, all of those 3 numbers by using the word approximately, okay? So if I take, let's say, the yellow part, I will say that's so small, that's the least of them. Let's take the purple here. Okay, if I take the purple, I will say it's approximately 25%. Okay, dears, approximately 25%. If I take the blue with the orange here together, I will say 25 with 25, approximately 50%. Okay, and if I choose those 3 colors together, the red, the purple, and the yellow, all 3 together, I will say that's half of the pie, okay, which is 50%. If I choose the other colors, the red, yellow, purple with the blue, all that, I say it's 75%, of course, approximately, okay? These type of questions, we have to answer them like this. Now, there's a question here. I would like to clarify this question here also. It's talking about Zidyan. He surveyed like 30 people about pet ownership. The circle graph shows the result. So, for A, how many people do not own pets? So that's birds only, no pets. So it's written. How much? 50%. But the question is asking me people. Okay? For the number of the people, first of all, I have got the total of 30 people. Then, what do? I say 50%, that means 50 over 100, times the total number of people that we've got, which is 30. After I do this, I start crossing out the zeros that we have. And I'll get 5 times 3, which is exactly 15. So how many people do not own pets? 15, that's half of it. How do we know? Even if you don't do this, you can do it mentally. If I have 30 and 50 of it, which is half of the circle graph, so half of the pie chart, do not have pets. So half of 30, it's how much? It's 15. So I can directly say 15 people do not own pets. Be careful, dear students. Do not mix the percentage with the people. They do not want the percentage here. They already gave us the percentages. They want the number of people. In order to do this, you say total of people multiplied by how much percent I have, then I will get the answer. Let's go to part B. How many people own cats only? So when they say cats only, that's 20%. 20%, again, I say 20%, 20 over 100 times the total of people, which is exactly 30. And then I start crossing out zeros as much as I can. So that 0, it will be cancelled with the 0. Any 0 that's up with the 0 that's down. So for the numerator and denominator, then 2 and 3 will be left. So I say 2 times 3, it will give me 6. That means only 6 people do not, only 6 people own cats. Okay, dear students, this is how we answer these questions. Again, I'll repeat the percentage that we have multiplied by the total number of what they give it to me.